Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to study about your next portion of this chapter, natural vegetation. And three type of forest we have already discussed. Now we are on the fourth type, that are littoral and swamp type of forest. You may see in this map, these forests are found in the some areas of this one western side of India. This is a rich variety of wetland habitats. This dark जो है that is को हम सिंपल लोअर क्लासेस में मैनग्रोव फॉरेस्ट के नाम से भी पढ़ा हुआ हम लोगों ने. इंडिया हैज़ अ रिच वैरायटी ऑफ वेटलैंड हैबिटेंट्स. About 70% of this comprises areas under the paddy cultivation. Paddy mean to say rice type of cultivation, these areas. And total area over wet land is 3.9 million hectare of India. Two sites, Chilika Lake in Odisha and Korladu National Park in Bharatpur, that is in Rajasthan, are protected as waterfall habitats under the conservation of wetland of international importance conservations. That's why it is conserved, because it is also useful for ecological balance. Whenever we have to maintain ecological balance, that type also, this type of forests are useful. Then our next is, that is the mountainous forest, like northern mountain forest we have done earlier in our previous lecture. Now we are talking about southern mountain forest that are found in some peninsula. I have highlighted with this pen, right? Vindhya range, Satpura range, here Annamlai hills, Nilgiri hills, southern part. So these forests found in three distinct areas of peninsula, with western ghats, Vindhya range, Nilgiri, as they are closer to tropics and only 500-meter above the sea level. Vegetation is temperate in the higher region and subtropical on the lower regions of the western ghats, especially in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. The temperate the temperate forests are called shoals in the Nilgiris, Annamandis, and Palani hills. Some of the other trees of these forests of economic significance include Mongolia, Aurora, Chinchona, Vettal. Such forests are also found in the Satpura and Malkai ranges. I would like to show you some mm, type of trees here, that is the oak tree, juniper. These are oak tree, have different varieties among itself, right? Like some having silver like leaves, some have golden green, such type of different leaves are found there. And cincinchona, that is used to cure the malaria also. Then cheer pine tree and these are found in the northern mountains of India. These such type of trees, canopy like trees are also there, that are in this southernmost part of India and having this. And then we are talking about the forest cover. Okay, before that we'll study about these ones somewhat more regarding that. When we talk about altitude, that is somewhat height. The please don't mix up latitude and altitude. Altitude is the height above the sea level. Here it is mentioned 1500 to 1700 length. That is developed zone. I told you about cheer pine, such type of vegetation is found in the mountainous areas. The western parts of Himalaya range, Devdar, okay, walnut sustain famous Kashmiri handcuffed bones to this zone. Blue pine and appear altitude of 2.225 meter at many places in this zone. Temperate grass lands are also found there, but in this hilly area, pastures area, it is known as green pastures, also pasture lands. Like you may have seen in the different, like Dalhousie, everywhere it is almost in the mountainous hill station. Long pasture grassy field are there, and silver fir, jumpers, pine, birches, such type of some type of creepers are also there that are found. And in this way, silver fir postures are used extensively for the transhumans by the tribes in the Gujars, Bakarwals, right? Transhumans, people who come in the pastoral nomadic category. Southern slopes of the Himalaya carry a thicker vegetation, such as you may see that Himalaya carry thicker vegetation cover because of the relatively higher precipitation than the drier north facing slopes. At higher altitude, mosses and lynches are also part of this type of vegetation. This is all about your forest type. Then next will important term is there, that forest cover in India. There are two terms, forest cover and forest area. Forest area mean to say in a particular state, or in a particular we can say district area wise, and forest cover mean to say overall percentage of the forest cover. So here is a somewhat delicate difference, that forest area where forests are found, like we can say the western part of this are covered with the forest, southern part, or we can say that northern part. But when we talk about forest cover, it means to say per in the form of percentage. According to state record, the forest area covers 23.28% of the total land area of the country. But here I have mentioned that this has been changed in according to the Indian Survey Forest report 2019. It is increased some percent. It is 23.34, right? And in this way 2019 there are some more increases also. It is very important to note that the forest area and the actual forest cover are not the same. The forest area notified the recorded as the forest land irrespective of existence of trees, while actual forest cover area is occupied by the forest with the canopy. The former is based on the records of the State Revenue Department. Like in the beginning, I mentioned both are different, right? So, state, that is forest area, that is forest cover is taken by the State Revenue Department, while the latter is based on the aerial photographs or satellite. And you have to underline this very important distinguished question. According to India's State of the Forest Report 2011, the actual forest cover in India was 21 point some percent, but now it has increased. It is somewhat 23 point something. And the in this way of the forest cover, the share of the dense and open forests are 12.29% respectively. Wait, it is also changed. Both forest cover area and forest mm, uh, cover and forest area vary state to state. Here I have mentioned in Rajasthan, this is the forest cover 9.57, Gujarat 11 point something, Punjab 6.12, Haryana 3.53, and Delhi 6.88% as per the ISFR, Indian Sample Forest Report, Indian Service Forest Report. So that is the total percent of its geographical area. In Tamil Nadu, it is 17.59 and West Bengal 13.38. This is the new data according to, that is in your books. It is of old data 2010 and 11, but I have provided you this one. So in this way, it is also very important from your study point of view. And I have taken one this pie chart also, pie diagram, to show you that very dense forest, moderately dense forest, open forest area, square kilometer, total forest cover area in India is, I have highlighted 21.6%. Right, that is the percentage, here is the area covered. And in this way, there is three type of percentage forest cover areas. The reason of shown in this table, very high, and the reason of low and medium. Right, in this table I have tried to show you that the reason of high concentration 40%, the reason of medium 20 to 40, the reason of low concentration 10 to 20, and very low concentration, that is less than 10%. And according to this data, maximum total 13 states of India have one third of its area covered by the forest. That is very, very important to maintain its ecological balance. You know that ecological balance, animals, plants, and humans are needed. And hopefully you are understanding this. सबको समझ आ रहा होगा, थोड़ा थ्योरी पार्ट ज़्यादा है, यू हैव टू सी इट एज इट इज़। राइट, इसमें से जितना भी हमारा ये पार्ट है, 13 स्टेट्स हैं और 4 यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं हमारी इसमें, जिसमें हमारा फॉरेस्ट कवर वन थर्ड के अप्रॉक्सीमेटली है। एंड दैट इज़ अप्रोप्रिएट एंड इट इज़ अ गुड सिग्नल फॉर अवर environmental situation also. When we talk about this type of environmental situation, these trees, grass, mosses, lynches, every part of our natural vegetation play very, very important role to give us variety of this natural vegetation, and very, very useful for our environment also. So in this way, I have tried to tell you about this. And forest cover area, now it's our formal duty as well as informal duty to make all the forest, all the things very, very existensible, very, very useful for us. And now it's our prime duty to make all the things available to conserve these forests very well. How can we conserve? We should take care of the plantation. Whenever in need, we know that we have to cut down some forest, but at same place, same time, we have to, if we cut one tree, we have to plant two tree. And Indian government has also started many different programs for this, one Mahotsav, and different even we have started in our school that whenever you have your friend's birthday, you ask him or her to plant some saplings, even gift as a saplings. Thank you. Bye, students.